Artificial intelligence is executing major scams right before our eyes, and you won't believe how. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized numerous industries, enhancing efficiency and innovation in ways previously unimaginable. However, alongside its many benefits, AI also presents significant risks, particularly in the realm of scams and fraudulent activities. This article explores how AI is being leveraged to execute some of the most sophisticated scams right under our noses, often without our knowledge. Introduction: the dual-edged sword of AI. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is now an integral part of our daily lives. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to advanced medical diagnostics, AI's applications are vast and varied. However, with great power comes great responsibility and significant potential for misuse. Scammers and cybercriminals are increasingly exploiting AI's capabilities to perpetrate frauds that are more convincing and harder to detect than ever before. The rise of AI in everyday life. AI in consumer technology, smartphones, smart home devices, and personal assistants like Alexa and Siri rely on AI to function. AI in business. Companies use AI for customer service, chatbots, data analysis, and decision-making processes. AI in healthcare. AI assists in diagnosing diseases, developing treatment plans, and even performing surgeries. The dark side of AI. Despite its many positive applications, AI also has a darker side. The same technology that powers advancements can be used to deceive, manipulate, and steal. AI-driven scams are becoming increasingly common, exploiting the technology's ability to mimic human behavior, analyze vast amounts of data, and adapt to new information. AI-driven phishing scams. Phishing scams, where fraudsters attempt to obtain sensitive information by masquerading as trustworthy entities, have been around for decades. However, AI has taken these scams to a new level of sophistication. How AI enhances phishing attacks. Personalization. AI analyzes data from social media, emails, and other sources to craft highly personalized messages that are more likely to deceive recipients. Automated responses. AI-powered bots can engage in real-time conversations, making phishing attempts more convincing. Adaptability. AI can adapt its strategies based on the success or failure of previous attempts, continuously improving its tactics. Case study: AI-powered email phishing. One notable example involves AI-generated emails that mimic the writing style of specific individuals. These emails are nearly indistinguishable from genuine correspondence, making it easier for scammers to trick victims into divulging sensitive information or transferring money. Deepfake technology, the ultimate deception. Deepfake technology, which uses AI to create hyper-realistic but fake audio and video content, poses a significant threat in the realm of scams and frauds. The mechanics of deepfakes. Audio deepfakes. AI can clone voices with remarkable accuracy, allowing scammers to create fake phone calls or voice messages. Video deepfakes. AI can superimpose faces onto existing video footage, creating the illusion that someone said or did something they did not. Implications of deepfake scams. Financial fraud. Scammers can use deepfake technology to impersonate CEOs or other high-ranking officials, instructing employees to transfer money or disclose sensitive information. Identity theft. Deepfakes can be used to create fake identification documents or social media profiles, facilitating identity theft and other fraudulent activities. Real-world examples. In one high-profile case, a deepfake audio recording was used to impersonate the CEO of a major company, instructing an employee to transfer $243,000 to a fraudulent account. The employee, believing the request to be genuine, complied, highlighting the effectiveness and danger of deepfake technology in executing scams. AI in financial fraud. AI's capabilities are also being exploited in the financial sector, where it is used to carry out a range of fraudulent activities. Automated trading scams. Algorithmic trading manipulation. Fraudsters use AI algorithms to manipulate stock prices by creating artificial demand or supply. Pump and dump schemes. AI analyzes market trends to identify opportunities for pump and dump schemes, where the price of a stock is artificially inflated before being sold off at a profit. Credit card fraud, transaction analysis. AI analyzes transaction patterns to identify vulnerabilities and exploit them for fraudulent purposes. Synthetic identity fraud. AI creates synthetic identities by combining real and fake information, making it difficult to detect fraudulent applications for credit cards or loans. Case study: AI in stock market fraud. In one instance, an AI algorithm was used to manipulate the stock market by creating fake orders that influenced the price of a particular stock. The scammers profited by buying low and selling high, causing significant financial losses for other investors. AI-powered social engineering. Social engineering, the psychological manipulation of individuals to divulge confidential information, has become more sophisticated with the advent of AI. How AI enhances social engineering. Behavioral analysis. AI analyzes social media activity, online behavior, and communication patterns to craft convincing social engineering attacks. Real-time interaction. AI-powered chatbots can engage with victims in real time, making the attacks more convincing and effective. Examples of AI-powered social engineering scams. Romance scams. AI creates fake profiles on dating sites, engaging victims in long-term relationships to extract money or personal information. Tech support scams. AI impersonates tech support representatives, convincing victims to provide access to their computers or financial information. AI impersonates tech support representatives, convincing victims to provide access to their computers or financial information. Case study: AI in romance scams. In a notable case, AI-generated profiles on a dating site were used to engage multiple victims in romantic relationships. Over time, the scammers convinced the victims to send money for various fabricated emergencies, resulting in significant financial losses. AI and ransomware. Ransomware attacks, where malicious software encrypts a victim's data and demands payment for its release, have also been enhanced by AI. AI's role in ransomware attacks. Target identification. Target identification. AI identifies vulnerable targets based on their online behavior and security measures. Attack optimization. AI optimizes the ransomware's encryption and delivery methods to maximize the chances of success. The evolution of ransomware. Traditional ransomware attacks were relatively unsophisticated, often relying on mass emails to spread. AI has made these attacks more targeted and effective, increasing the likelihood of victims paying the ransom. Case study: AI-driven ransomware attack. In a recent attack, AI was used to identify a hospital with outdated security measures. The ransomware encrypted critical patient data, and the hospital was forced to pay a substantial ransom to regain access, highlighting the devastating impact of AI-enhanced ransomware. The role of AI in fake news and disinformation. AI's ability to generate and spread fake news and disinformation has far-reaching implications, from influencing elections to inciting violence. How AI generates fake news. Natural language processing, NLP. AI generates realistic news articles and social media posts that mimic human writing. Content distribution. AI-powered bots spread fake news across social media platforms, amplifying its reach and impact. The consequences of AI-driven disinformation. Political manipulation. AI-generated fake news has been used to influence public opinion and sway election outcomes. Social unrest. Disinformation campaigns can incite violence and division, undermining social cohesion. Real-world examples. During the 2016 U.S. presidential election, AI-generated fake news articles were widely shared on social media, influencing voter perceptions and potentially impacting the election result. Similar tactics have been observed in other countries, demonstrating the global reach of AI-driven disinformation. Countering AI-driven scams. Addressing the threat of AI-driven scams requires a multifaceted approach involving technology, regulation, and public awareness. Technological solutions. AI for defense. Developing AI systems to detect and counteract AI-driven scams. Enhanced security measures. Implementing advanced security protocols to protect against AI-enhanced attacks. Regulatory measures. Legislation, enacting laws to regulate the use of AI and hold perpetrators accountable. International cooperation, collaborating across borders to combat global AI-driven scams. Public awareness and education. Awareness campaigns. Educating the public about the risks of AI-driven scams and how to recognize them. Training programs. Providing training for businesses and individuals on cybersecurity best practices. Case study, AI in fraud detection. Several financial institutions have begun using AI to detect fraudulent activities by analyzing transaction patterns and identifying anomalies. These systems can flag suspicious activities in real time, helping to prevent scams before they occur. Conclusion: the future of AI and fraud. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the tactics of scammers and cybercriminals. It is imperative that we stay vigilant and proactive in developing strategies to counteract these threats. By leveraging AI for defense, enacting robust regulatory measures, and raising public awareness, we can mitigate the risks and ensure that the benefits of AI outweigh its potential for misuse. In summary, while AI offers immense potential for positive change, it also opens the door to new and sophisticated forms of fraud. From phishing scams and deepfakes to financial fraud and disinformation, the ways in which AI can be misused are numerous and varied. By understanding these threats and taking steps to counteract them, we can protect ourselves and our society from the darker side of AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have thoughts or questions about AI and scams? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on the latest tech trends and how to stay safe in the digital age. Until next time, stay informed and stay secure.